Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. My dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. Our today's topic is chapter 9 CBQ. From chapter 9 we shall solve one CBQ from your annual term suggestion. And it is CBQ number 1, which is written on the board. So at first we read the question here. 20 out of 80 students of Rasulpur Govt Primary School have obtained GPA 5 in PECE in 2019. That means a school whose name is Rasulpur Govt Primary School. And from that school, 20 out of 80 students got GPA 5. Okay, this is the information of the STEM. Question number A, what is the percentage of the students who have obtained GPA 5 of that school? That means out of 80 students, 20 students got GPA 5. So the question A asks you to find out of 100 students how many students obtain GPA 5, right? Okay. Question number B, if 60% students of that school obtain GPA 5, how many students obtained GPA 5? That means, notice, what do you mean by 60%? 60% means out of 100 students, 60 students got GPA 5. But the school has 80 students. So we need to find out of 80 students, how many students obtain GPA 5, right? So let us start first. Question number A, what is the percentage? Percentage means out of 100 what? What is the percentage of the students who have obtained GPA 5 of that school? So in order to solve this math, at first I write out of 100 students, 20 students got GPA 5. So write out of 80 students, 20 students obtained GPA 5, right? Then unitary method, out of one student, as one is smaller than 80, so division will be happen. That means 20 divided by 80 student obtained GPA 5. So our question asks us to find out what is the percent, that means out of 100 what. So write out of 100 students, as 100 is greater than 1, for this reasons multiplication will be happen. That means 20 multiplied by 100 divided by 80 student obtain GPA 5. Now notice, I cut this number 20 and 80. 20 1s are 20 and 24 are 80. I repeat, we cut 20 and 80 by 20. If I divide 20 by 20, then we get 1. If I divide 80 by 20, then I get 4. So now we cut this 100 by 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 25s are 100. So notice here 1 as a denominator, which is negligible, because we know that every number has a denominator which is 1. We need not to write that, but as a numerator 1 and 25 are left. So we multiply these two numbers. 25 ones are 25 students obtained GPA 5. But the question asks you to find out the answer in percentage. So when you write answer, then you write 25%. Dear student, notice, if you don't write here percentage sign, then some marks is deducted from your answer script. So you don't write here students, you write here 25%, right? Okay. So question number A is done. Next we shall solve question number B. In order to solve question number B, I erase question number A. So What is question number B? If 60% students of that school obtain GPA 5, how many students obtain GPA 5? So notice the Rasulpur Gov Primary School has 80 students in total. Okay, but here the information is 60% students of that school obtained GPA 5. So by this information we can take a decision that out of 100 students, 60 students obtained GPA 5. So at first I write this. Out of 100 students, 60 students obtained GPA 5, right? Then we use unitary method. Out of one student, as 1 is smaller than 100, for these reasons division will be happen, that means 60 by 100 student obtained GPA 5. Now as we need to find out how many students obtained GPA 5 of that school, that means the total number of school has 80 students. So we need to find out of 80 students how many students obtained GPA 5. So I write here, out of 80 students, as 80 is greater than 1, for this reason multiplication will be happen, that means 60 multiplied by 80 divided by 100 students obtained GPA 5. Now I cut this, 10 8 jar 80 and 10 10 jar 100. Now I cut this both number by 10. 10 1 jar 10 and 10 6 jar 60. So as a numerator is as a numerators are 6 multiplied with 8, and as a denominator here is 1. We need not write 1 because we know that every number has a denominator which is 1. So we neglect this. So now write 60 multiply 8. What do you mean by 60 multiply 8? We just count 6 8 jar 48. So 48 students obtained GPA 5, right? And this is the answer of this question. So write here 48 students. But my dear student, notice this time I don't write here percentage. Why? Because we find out the number of students who have obtained GPA 5 out of the total number of students. Here total number of student is 80. So we didn't write here percentage sign. That means we write here 48 students. But if you write here percent, then your answer is wrong. So you must write the correct answer. Okay. So this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.